Product research is one of the tricky phase when it comes to starting an online e-commerce business. Hey guys, Rana here, and in this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to do a product research to find a profitable product with 𝗀𝗀𝗃. Whenever I start an online e-commerce business, I usually search for a popular product on Amazon because Amazon is the world's largest online e-commerce marketplace. No matter how well you design your online store, smart shopper always check Amazon for price and product availability first. That's why I rely on Amazon for my product research. Whether you're doing an Amazon FBA or dropshipping on your own website, it is essential to find a profitable product to sell. 𝗀𝗀𝗃 is great for those who don't know what to sell. It gives you key insight to find the product that are in high demand with low competition. I'm gonna walk you through with 3 easy steps to find a perfect product to sell. Along the way, I'll also share 5 key traits to find a profitable product. So let's dive in. Step 1. Select categories. So 𝗀𝗀𝗃 has recatalogued Amazon product in their database with the filter that are user-friendly for seller. So let me show you how to use it. So first of all, go to the first link in the video description. It will take you to 𝗀𝗀𝗃's website. On the left hand side, you will find all the essential tools for your online e-commerce business. Now go to product research section and select the product database. Now choose your marketplace and the category you want to search in. You can select as many you would like, but here are few I recommend avoiding if you are just starting out. For electronics, they have many parts that can be break, so keep the product simple. Be careful with the food or anything people eat or put on their body because it can be risky. For clothing, shoes or jewelries, people usually prefer well-known brands and less likely to buy from unknown ones. Step number 2 is determine product characteristics. Next, you got product tier. For beginners, I suggest starting with the standard size product. Oversized products are bigger, heavier, cost more to ship, and have Amazon restriction on how many you can send to Amazon at once. This makes them more complicated. It's better to start with smaller or lighter weight product, which is standard size product. Then next, we have seller type, sold by Amazon themselves, fulfillment by Amazon, fulfillment by merchant. If you don't select any of the field, it will search through all of them. Let's talk about your filter. First, we have the price. I suggest not going below $18 because profit margin become quite smaller below this number. Next, sale is crucial. You want to ensure there is a demand for the product you are selling, which is shown by the sale number. Aim for at least 300 sale per day, which works out to be about 10 sale per day. A good target to aim for. You also have revenue, which you can filter below that. If you want your product to be in a high demand but with low competition, there is one way to measure it just by looking at the number of reviews. I recommend aiming for a products with between 50 to 100 reviews. Another useful filter is average star rating. This means finding a product that are sell well even they have low average star rating. This gives you the opportunity to improve upon product itself. Then there is the 𝗀𝗃𝗃 or listing quality score, which means how good the product listing is. Score of 1 means it's a poor listing, while score of 10 means it's excellent. Here you could look at the product that sell well even with a low listing quality. This gives you a chance to improve the market of your product. Here you can filter by date first available. You can choose the preset from the date range, or you can enter your own date. You can also include or exclude the keyword to focus on specific niche. I've found that keeping the keywords broad and not using too many gives you the best result. When adding a keyword, you can exclude as many as you want. For example, you might exclude COVID-related items. You don't need to use all of these filters at once. Just try different combination and see what works best. You can create your own filter set, save it, and you can come back to it later. You can also load a preset from the filter set that you have already created. And finally, step number 3, analyze opportunity. So now let's hit search. The total number of results shown here. You can choose how many listings to show per page, and you can download the result as a CSV file to view later. Over here, you can decide which column of data you would like to display and sort by any of these columns, ascending or descending. If a product has multiple variation, you will see them here. Click on this arrow to view each variation listed individually. If you click on this ASIN code, it will take you to the keyword scout to see which keyword the product ranked for. If you click on this Amazon logo, it will take you directly to the product listing on Amazon. Here you can see the category, variant difference, monthly revenue, sale, and the price. The two numbers below the price are the net amount and the fees breakdown. Let's click on the first one. It will bring up the profit calculator of Jungle Scout. Now this is a really powerful tool. With it, you can test any sale price. Just input the cost of the product to calculate how much profit you would receive if you were selling this product. And remember to include the cost of shipping to the Amazon warehouse or to your dropshipping supplier. It's very helpful to quickly see the profit margin with different prices. The second number shows a full breakdown of Amazon fees. Now as you scroll to the right, you will see more valuable data points like number of reviews, listing quality score, date first available, and average star rating. Jungle Scouts update all the sales estimates regularly, but if you want latest information, just click on refresh product data. Once you have found the product that you like, you can add it to the product tracker for further verification. For product with multiple variations, you can add all of them to the tracker at once, or you can select individual variation if you prefer that way. So that's how I do a product research. So if you have followed all the steps that I've shown you in this video, soon you'll have a list of profitable products to sell on your own dropshipping store or on Amazon. And now try out Jungle Scout for yourself and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So if you found the video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.